Hey friends, today I am going to be painting the skull spooky frame earrings. Now these are wood blanks and I'm using Thule pens. They're acrylic paint pens. There was a lot of colors in this pair. So I'm using the black Thule pen, just filling in the edge. Number 26. So this is the silver Thule pen. Now I'm lightly pressing on this portion here because I don't want the ink to bleed into the engraved portion. So I'm just making a quick circular motion with them, with the pen, dabbing. Starting to look good. Number 27, this is from the Southwestern palette. Just going to fill in that oval here. And once again, all these colors are suggestive. You could change it, to an orange, to a gold. You don't even have to apply 3 different colors to this frame. You could use one solid color. Make it your own. All right, number 26 and number 24. So I have the slate gray and then the gray, which I'm applying together at the same time to kind of give it that shadow swirl effect. But then I realized here it was so much gray that came out, light gray that came out, and I used the paper towel to kind of dab it. And now I'm switching to the other side because the skinnier point, the smaller point, was dry, and it was just pulling the paint all around in a bad way. So I'm going to just continue to do the background behind the skull. Give it that blended cloudy effect in the back. And here, you can do it to your liking. You don't have to do the shadowing or the blending. It could be one color. You can leave it wood. You could stain it. Once again, it's very subjective to how you interpret your art and how you see these. I just wanted like a stormy, moody background for the skull. And then I just dab it with a paper towel. Here I'm using my finger, which I shouldn't be doing, but when you're in the moment. Then I come through again with the gray because I didn't really like how this looked, honestly. It was frazzling me. All right, so now I'm going to do the crown. This is the gold Thule pen. I feel like a lot of the metallic pens, they're not as a saturated color, so they tend to fade. But I also like to add some depth and some shadowing and highlighting. So that's number 15, just using it for the jewels and the crown. Then I'm coming in with some of this clay color. That's yellow, number 11. And I'm just highlighting, giving some depth to the crown. Yeah, happy little line right across. Now I got the red. And I'm just creating, once again, some highlights over those jewels. Number 24. That's like a plaster color. I felt that this was better than the solid white for this skull. It's just muted enough. I was going to do like a shadowing and blending technique here, but I felt like the way the wood was engraved for this skull, the shadowing was already there. It was perfect. And then I just come through, I take a look at it just to see how it looks. And there you have it. And then when I was done, I sprayed it with the Krylon matte spray. Have a nice day. Thank you.